Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Shane right here, and today saya akan tunjuk anda semua how to make Elizabethan semua sudah. Okay, first, in the beginning intro section ni, kita akan dengar bunyi ni, which is bunyi, mulai bunyi violin. Okay, in order nak buat bunyi violin ni, I use Nexus, Unreal Nexus, and then pergi classical guna hybrid strings 3. Bunyi dia almost the same, but memang tak sama lah. And then I send it to mixer track. Yeah, I send it to mixer, and then I only use reverb and EQ. Kita nak buang all the best sound from the string violin ni, kita turunkan to about 275 Hz, something like that. And then kita nak treble ni, high voice treble, what do you call it? Okay. Bagian ni naik sikit, and then that's all. Tak dapat bunyi. Oh yeah, the chords. Okay, and then tu bunyi, kalau kita dengar yang tung 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 tung. Saya tak ada berapa tahu what sound he used, tapi it's like a guitar. Gitar yang dipetik-petik, like I don't know. I have hard time, susah nak cari, but then I end up with this sound. Yeah, it's not sama. Yeah, it's not sama, tapi what to do? I can't find the sound. But so saya guna gitar. Yeah, and then saya guna violin. Saya download VST ni, DSK strings. Supaya macam ada bunyi petik-petik, and then the same time dia macam ada bunyi okay, yeah, and then bila kita nyampakan, it will sound like this. Okay, and then on the verse part kita cuma dengar, and yeah, so kita just guna bunyi kita yang kita buat ni tadi. Yeah, just on repeat, never stop, repeat this. Okay, bila kita bagian ni, I don't know, bagian pre-chorus, no, still verse. Ya, bagian verse ni, kalau kita dengar betul-betul, dia ada macam bunyi. Ya, ada dengar bunyi dia? Yes, and then so in order to make the sound, saya guna pad, saya guna silent, and then pad ni saya just atur, it's my own sound. Ya, saya atur sendiri, and then you get this sound. Yep. Okay, so gabungkan, and the snap. Don't forget the snap. You need to snap. Okay, and then bila bagian pre-chorus ni, dia ada different scale from all the song. Dia ada bunyi like chorus, like chord. Ya, ada bunyi tu. And then in order to make the sound, saya guna chord ni, and then saya guna both the rate, saya guna silent drop chord. I don't know macam mana saya dapat ni. I think I make this sound. Yeah, mostly I make it. And then dia, kalau kita dengar balik bunyi ni, dia macam ada attack tu, dia slow sikit. Wow, macam bunyi tu ada. Wow, yeah. In order to make this sound, wait, fuck. In order to make this sound, increase the attack part A ni, increase the attack. And then bila ni pun sama, kita increasekan attack dia. Ada dengar? Wow, wow, wow. And then kita tak nak dia like a very loud, and so kita EQ kan, and then reverb kan. The most important thing, reverb EQ. Kecuali kalau ada bass kita tak perlu EQ. Macam ni bunyi bass. Ni saya dapat dari preset, I forgot dari mana. I think it's like a shocking sound, saya forgot. Yang ni saya buat sendiri. Then yeah, bass kita tak perlu sangat. For like kalau dia macam ada high sikit, and then we gonna reduce the high and then increase the bass a little bit. Yeah, we don't really need EQ bass because it's bass. unless yang high tu kita tak nak ada. So bass we want it to be low and sub bass only. We don't want high or mid. Unless some of the song kita perlukan mid, but not really. Oh yeah, I forgot to allow this. Fuck. Sorry. Okay, so bila kita dengar hampir sama. Bunyi drum ni jangan lupa. Ya. Dia clap. Dia macam ada clap setiap every like 4 beat. Tak 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 tak. And then snap and then snare. And then bila babak chorus ni,
semua sudah
ya dah bunyi yang
sudah, kenal pun sudah, sayang pun sudah.
Ya, yang first gitar tu dia cuma reuse the gitar, and then bagian ni yang almost kind of like piano, but it's not a piano. I don't know why I say piano. But yeah, saya guna Nexus, classical, and then soft orchestra. And then kita perlu tutup delay and reverb because kita akan atur sendiri reverb dia on the mixer track. And then EQ, as usual, anything yang tak ada kaitan dengan bass, we need to close it. And then high end dia, treble dia, naik sikit. Reverb as usual, paling penting. Ya, kalau tengok chord dia macam dia tidak terlalu very short and then not very long, and then so decide like this is the best spot. Dia macam terkeluar dari sikit dari from this line, but jauh sikit from this line. So dia bunyi dia tak begitu like panjang, and then tak begitu like very short. So it's like that.
Semua sudah, nampak pun sudah, kenal pun sudah.
Okay, so bagian chorus ni like paling penting sub bass. You need a lot of sub bass. Okay, untuk buat sub bass ni senang je. Okay, let me teach you. Okay, so kita insert new 3x OFC untuk sub bass ni, and then bila dah keluar ni kita klik ni, kita guna apa ni, sine wave. I think it's sine wave. I forgot. Yang ni, wait, what do you call this? Wait, shit, forgot. Okay, kita guna triangle wave, sine wave, and then triangle wave. And then triangle wave ni kita nak turn down, ini sama, and then volume dah, mix level ni, like it's not very loud, like around 5 o'clock, something like that, about 88%, 90%, about 90%, then sama about 90%. And then bila dah sampai tu, kita go to instrumental setting, envelope, go to volume, and then envelope ni kita like hold the next kit, decay dia like jangan not too low and then not too high, like around 40%, and then sustain all the way down, release down, attack down, and then without mixer ni, without EQs semua ni bunyi dah like this. Oh yeah, click right here, right click kat C6 ni supaya kita dapat guna note number 4. Mungkin tak dapat dengar kalau guna laptop or phone, but you can hear when you are using headphone. And then kita guna camel crusher, so a little bit like ganas sikit, like distortion and everything. Okay, after distortion tu kita, you can hear like high end itu kuat sangat, and then kita perlukan mid sikit, and then, so kita guna EQ, kita naikkan sikit bass and then sikit mid. So kalau kita dengar balik bunyi bass dia. Ya, dia macam ada ganas sikit macam tu. So kita perlukan bunyi gu tu bila ada EQ dan camel crusher semua, distortion tu kita dapat ni. And then kick, and then clap, and then hat. Kalau kita dengar hat kan, dia macam ada tss, tss, yang bunyi right tu. Kita guna Kashmir punya sample pack. Kalau kita dengar balik lagu tu, dia ada bunyi right. Dah dengar? Yeah. So macam ni. Okay, kalau kita balik ke bahagian chorus ni, chorus kedua, dia ada different sikit kalau kita dengar. Ada dengar bunyi tu yang like pet. Tapi bunyi pet tu dia berbeza sebab berbanding dengan pet ini, walaupun dia guna yang sama punya, tapi dia berbeza sikit sebab kalau kita tengok bahagian ni, sound dia tu dia tak ada side chain. Tapi bila ada bahagian ni, kita dengar bunyi side chain. Apa tu side chain kalau tak tahu? Okay, kita tengok tanpa side chain. Wait. Okay, tanpa side chain macam ni bunyi dia. Kalau kita dengar dia straight saja. Tapi bila kita letakkan side chain, dia akan bunyi different. Dengar? Ya, dia macam ada low high macam tu. Yang ni dia panggil side chain effect. Dan untuk guna side chain effect ni, kita perlukan kickstart, ataupun kalau tak ada kickstart, kita boleh guna grow speed. Okay, kalau dengar balik. Okay, kalau kita campurkan dengan lagu kita. Then ni
jatuh pun dah berkali-kali, namun ku masih bangun lagi. Apa lagi yang ku boleh bagi?
Dia gunakan piano, dan untuk dapat piano saya just gunakan preset piano yang dah sediakan, instrumen, keyboard, and then grand piano.
Sudah, apa-apa sudah.
Oh ya, untuk EQ dah piano, kalau boleh EQ dah jangan terlalu what I call it, tertutup sangat, like around 180 190 is enough. And then paling penting mid perlu naik, and then bagian ni mid, like mid piano is mid, you need the mid sound kita perlukan naik sikit. Ya, bagian chorus ketiga ni dia agak different.
Semua sudah, apapun sudah, kenapun sudah, sayang pun sudah, kalaupun sudah.
So untuk buat tu kita just guna yang piano tu tadi tu, and then kita just increase sikit. Tapi kalau kita dengar balik bunyi tu, dia macam different tone. Dia macam low and then high, macam sound dia how they call it, macam low and then high, low high macam tu. So untuk garis ketiga ni dia different sikit. Dan itu saja. Itulah lagu Semua Sudah. Nampak susah, bunyi susah, tapi actually it's not that very hard. Kalau kita tahu like how to make a song, it's kind of easy. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys continue making music. If you wanna collab, just let me know. I'm open to any collaboration, and feedback is always appreciated. Anyway, guys, goodbye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.